Hello, Miss Ari, Miss Surya, all of my friends, and all the viewers. So let me introduce myself first. My name is Inyoman Satya Surya Dharma from 3A class. So the purpose of this video is to fulfill the requirement of the task of the meeting 11 as the last meeting about prose. So the video is talking about impact of reading Matilda for someone personality aspect. So what I'm gonna talk here, just what? Let me move to the next slide. Okay, so Matilda novel was originally published on October 1st, 1988 in London with the total number of the page is 232 pages. Matilda was a novel by famous British novelist, as you can see in the picture, in the black and white picture. He is the guy. Uh, his name is Roald Dahl. Roald Dahl born on September 13 in 1916 in Cardiff, United Kingdom, and passed away at age 74 on November 1919 in Oxford, United Kingdom. So Roald Dahl is the author of several very successful children's books, such as you can see in the right side. The first is in the above, with the blue cover, is the book with the title James and the Giant Peach, and then in the lower, in the book is Charlie and the Chocolate Factory, and of course, one another of his famous book is Matilda. Maybe you or all of us already know what is Matilda books about, but I just wanted to explain a bit. Matilda is a novel about genius child who are got a bad parenting and abusive action by her parent and her mistress in school. Matilda became really popular book and one of the best children novel based on independent.co.uk. As I remember, I checked tomorrow the Matilda book is in the number 13, and Matilda novel also winning some award. That was Bilby Award. What is Bilby? Bilby is books I love best yearly. uh, in the category Younger Readers Award in the 1919 and 1997. So this data I got from the kids.cadel.co. You can see in the screen also. This is the website. And then maybe the picture is a bit blur. It's hard to see. I will just gonna give a point out. So this is the Matilda winning the award in 1919 and in the 1997. Matilda novels have a good impact for some person or maybe the society because in Matilda novel we can find a lot of life lesson. For example, about child parenting, how to treat our children. So we must treat our children like how Miss Honey treat the Matilda in this illustration. So as we know in the novel, Miss Honey treat Matilda really good, like their own child, and we must not treat our children like Mr. Mom would do. So I take the illustration from the movie because I can find the illustration in the book. Uh, this is not how we should uh, parenting our children. This is a bad parenting. The good parenting we should do is like how Miss Honey treat Matilda. Also, another life lesson is parents should support their child hobbies. So as we can see in this two in the lower illustration, uh, in the left is the Matilda with Miss Honey, and in the right side is Mr. Pombod. We should support our children hobbies, like how Miss Honey support Matilda to learn, not like how Mr. would do in the right side. Here, uh, destroy the Matilda books that she borrow from the library. Another life lesson that I got from this novel was about education. This novel show how teachers should be. We can see in here there's a good teacher with the good education, with the illustration of Miss Hani as teaching, and then in the right side there's a illustration about how a bad education and bad teacher be like. So we must teach our student like Miss Honeydew. Uh, they are kind teacher, and then he is a good teacher, not always angry to the student like that. But we must avoid bad teacher or bad education, like in the illustration in the Miss Trunchbull, because in nowadays era, abusive act from teacher like Miss Trunchbull do is wrong. It maybe the parent of of the student go to the police to report it. Maybe in the nowadays era like that we know. And then also another life lesson is how important is reading books because as we can see in the novel by reading books we can give a lot of advantage like Matilda she will be a clever or genius person and then has open-minded because she is reading a lot of books and by reading books she can escape from her problem in the home. Another life lesson that I emphasize here is about the personality aspect. So, how can this novel Matilda impact the personality aspect of a person or a society? As we can see in the Matilda novel, Matilda have a bad parenting and get abusive act from her parent. Usually, children who have a bad treatment, like Matilda got, will have serious mental problem and may can cause interpersonal trauma. Interpersonal trauma can be involving emotional abuse, emotional neglect, and physical abuse. It's really affecting children personality. But by reading a book, Matilda is survived and can escape from her problem by reading books. So we can now reading give her a way to entertain herself and escape from her bad reality. So I just get a real life example how Matilda is affect someone personality aspect. So I found an article that titled "How Matilda Influenced My Childhood as a Reader" from the Auckland's artsreview.com. So here the girl is point out reading can take you to another place and pull out your situation that aren't always the greatest to be in. So it indicates these girls are ever in the bad situation or low point of life, but by reading a book of Matilda and love to reading another book, she can pull out from those bad situations and can rises again. Also, another real life example is I got from the independent.co.uk in the title Roald Dahl's Matilda at 13, a heroine who changed life. So the writer is Daisy Buchanan says that like Matilda, I was surrounded by people who thought intelligence was inconvenience and liability. Unlike Matilda, my method for dealing with my bullies was based on crying and hiding. I didn't know that there was another way until this book came into my lap and saved it. From this statement, we can know the writer ever in the same position, and then Matilda novel inspire her to be strong and rises from those bad things by reading books. Another things we can learn from the Matilda novel is about confidence and independency. So from the first article, I found uh, that the writer is mentioned it's okay to be independent, even at young age. From it means from novel Matilda, we can learn that if no one can help you, yourself is the only one can. Like Matilda, who not able to get book from her father, then she go to village library to find books to read. And then also in the another mention is it's okay and awesome to be a reader, and that's their strength to be found within book. It means this reader confidence is rises because she Matilda who love to be reader. So it's like, oh, I'm not the only one who reader and rarely going to out in this world, for example, like that. And then Matilda also give another life lesson. This is wise. How to be wise. Wise here is in using knowledge. Many normal people, if get a bad treatment from parent and school, will gonna do a revenge. But in here, the writer of the page, right, knowledge and eagerness to learn can be used as weapon against harsh realities of the world. In Matilda, we learn how to use our knowledge to revenge a bad thing happen to us, not revenge in form of like violence, uh, like that. But we like in Matilda, we can prank the who are do a bad thing to us like that. Okay, so that's all about my presentation about how uh, Matilda can give impact to a reader's personality aspect. So I hope this video is beneficial for you all. Thank you for listening and watching. Goodbye.